Hey guys, I'm just going to show you a quick video on how I make my tandoori paneer for the barbecue. I literally just decided 10 minutes ago that I felt like doing a barbecue, so I'm just going to chuck some things together. So using the things that I have in my fridge and around my house, so I hope you guys like this. So I've chopped paneer, red onions and some yellow peppers into a bowl. What I'm going to do is add 1 teaspoon of already grated and minced ginger and garlic. Gonna add 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala. Gonna add some freshly chopped green chilies. 1 tablespoon of ingredient is Dhana Jeeru, so it's cumin and coriander seeds powder. I'm gonna put 1 of those in, and then I usually use these in the bigger pots, but they come in small pots too. It's the Pataks tandoori paste, and honest to God, I live by it, and it's so good, and especially in tandoori paneer. It contains a lot of oil in it, so if I need some more oil, I'll put some in after. But because I'm doing this with one hand, I should be able to just pop that all in. Like so. And then what I'm going to do is just give this all a mix. I'll come back because I'm doing this with my hand, and I'm literally just going to put my hands in here and get a good mix. So if needs be and it's still pretty dry, can add maybe a teaspoon of olive oil or vegetable oil inside your mix, and it should be fine. But yeah, that's basically it. It's really simple, really easy, and guaranteed when you put it on your barbecue it's going to taste absolutely amazing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I'll show you a picture before I put it onto the barbecue as well. So yeah, thank you. So this is my tandoori paneer, peppers and onions all mixed together. I didn't put oil in it because I don't think it needs to. It's all covered really nicely. So let that rest while your barbecue is getting hot, and put these on skewers and enjoy them.